on my terrible boat. Welcome back to the party. Shout out to my patrons who decided to sign up. A couple of you guys decided you weren't just going to do the $2 and go up to $4, which is really appreciated. Every little bit counts, and you know what? I really appreciate that about you guys. I never thought in my life I would have any patrons that would enjoy my projects the way that I do, so thank you for pitching in a little bit and just being there to say hi. Camera mount for the wall. It's specifically for DSLRs. The idea is to use my T3i as a camera, a webcam, if you will. Now we should be able to mount a DSLR on that. It's pretty stout. All right, the old Empire dirt over here. Comment down below if you think we should do something with this $150 Chinese turbo. There's still some tidying up to do with the Amazon. I need to ditch the brake booster because who knows if that works. It stops with the manual brakes. Maybe not as fast as you like, but that's what we got, right? The other matter is, believe it or not, the plugs and wires are the plugs and wires that were in the car when I brought it home. Same plugs and wires that sat there for 35 years. We're gonna be fixing those today. Just have to dig into the part stash in here. Okay. Oh yeah, plug wires. Those are good. You got plugs in here? Newsflash, it's kind of hard to do the spark plugs if you forget to order them. Anyway, in the meantime, you can hang out with me while we swap these around. I have no clue where I put the plugs. Oops. Look at these old things. I wish it would focus. There we go. That old guy. I'm surprised those are even working. Well, yeah, life is full of surprises.
Did you just call me a woman? I'm legally a man. Are you? Yes.
As they say. I don't know who they are, but potentially they're the voices, I guess, in your head. Maybe. Hopefully you don't have those. If you do, I hope they tell you to have a nice day. Speak positive things to you. Look how good we did. Before we dig into that booster, we should probably make sure it still starts. Key, pump it. She runs. The last few times I've run this thing, it sounds like that exhaust gasket is getting worse and worse. I don't know that I'm going to replace it. I think I'm going to get a header for the whole thing and just do away with the old stuff. Alright, for the brake booster. Let's see if... Can you see hardware up in there? Yeah, looks like it, huh? Man, it's handy having you around. Alright, well, let's take her apart. What the shit? What the fuck?
What the hell? There are two kinds of Asians. Asians that can eat peanuts and failures.
It just broke off there. What? How was that even a thing? Okay, we'll just do it this way then. Hey, spare hardware. All right, easy day. And you just leave it in there, and you're good. Since we're ditching the booster, we can get rid of this vacuum line. If it'll come off. Oh wow, that's loose. We're gonna have to split that. Oh, the fucking thing won't turn. There it goes. Focus. That was extremely loose in there. You can see that, right? Good. I don't want you to miss the action. That's kind of the reason you're here, right? Just like that. She's out of there. Really ties it all together, doesn't it? Maybe someday we'll rebuild that booster. I honestly don't know if it works, so for now we'll assume it doesn't. We'll just run our regular master cylinder, no boost. And if you're anything like me, and you're my subscriber, so I'm sure that you are, you're a person of great taste and class, the ground here would probably be one of your first things to fix. Oh wow, there's things under the battery, including rust. Got ourselves a nice crispy new guy here. I should probably clean that up. Alright, perfect. I'm gonna put the sharp side down. That makes sense. That's why. Look at that nice new ground on this car. I'm gonna leave it at that horizontal there. I'm gonna try to get this sucker to twist. Kind of sit on the battery a little better. Actually, it should be over here. I don't know. We'll find out. I don't know if I can get that in there. A little bit tight. I guess you want your rounds to be tight, right? Alright, fresh ground. Got everything else cleaned up. I need to do a battery cable, but I still don't have one yet. We're getting there. Give me time, okay? Calm down. She's together. We gotta talk about some things. But we should probably also drive it first. Funny when a guy just plugs wires and it runs quite a bit better. Recording me? Yeah. So, today on my terrible boat, as you can see, we have it tied up so it doesn't go anywhere. I drove across and it was fine. I drove back and it was a little too deep just to the floorboards. But I got stuck in the river and then it was up to the roof. Luckily, before I got too deep, I tied it off. And my boot thing came down. Tied her up.
Not me, the truck.
Oh yeah, tied up there. Little creek right in there. That's it. Looks like it's been sitting there forever. So we got a little talking to do. So far, we've done a ton of work to this thing. New clutch master and slave cylinder, new lines, new brake master cylinder. We've ditched the brake booster to it. Added some little stone guards to the nose for the headlights. Put our sweet Ford Ranger bullet wheels on it. We've yet to vacuum out the interior. I keep sitting in all the dirt and goo in it, which is nice. Of course, put our Weber carb on it. Put some new plug wires in it. And here we sit. Quickly losing sunlight. The Amazon does require some work still. It requires electrical work mostly. The battery started charging, so the generator's good. Battery sitting right at 12.5, so we've got that figured out. But I need to figure out where all the electrical issues are, which will be fun. So for now, the Amazon will be just a putt around car. It's okay because the old lady and I have some traveling to do. This is her birthday, and well, I need to take her somewhere. So next couple episodes are going to be RX-7 content. Would you just look at it? I do believe photographers call this the golden shower or golden hour. I don't remember. Either way, I can't see. Having a lot of fun with this car. So give me a comment, leave a like, let me know what you think of this thing. And why don't you go out in your garage, you fix something, huh?